Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about GitHub Copilot inside VS Code tutorial. So the features that we are gonna cover in this tutorial are Copilot Chat. How does Copilot Chat generates complete functions for a ready-to-use code? Second feature is intelligent coding autocomplete inside VS Code. Third feature we are gonna discuss is how do we turn comments on in the full working code? Uh, Fourth feature is how do we generate multi-line logic generation like loop conditions helper with the use of GitHub Copilot. And also we will see auto documentation and code explanation along with how GitHub supports multi-language supports for Python, JavaScript, and other languages. Also, uh, how GitHub gives us unit test cases and edge cases for testing the code. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, go to the extension tab, search for GitHub Copilot to install the extension. And once this extension is available, you have to install this extension, GitHub Copilot Chat extension. So in case it is installed in my system, so you can install it. And once you install this GitHub Copilot extension, this chat window appears. And this chat window is the GitHub Copilot chat window. Now, if you want, suppose, a factorial function to get in the output, or you want to write a factorial function. So, how this GitHub Copilot saves your time and smartly gives the code. So, let's type give me the code for give me the we will write function. Give me the function for generating factorial of a number. Now, once you enter, it will start working at the backend, and in meanwhile, it will give some results out of it. So there are two functionalities that you can do out of results. Once you get the output, you can either copy the output and paste it over in the editor, or you can directly click over this apply to GitHub file basically, and it will directly go into this uh, editor. What I will do is I will show this feature to you. Now I click the apply to editor file and it is directly applied in my editor. Now I will run this factorial function. Now I will test this factorial function. Let's say we want to find the factorial of 5. Now factorial of 5 comes out to be 120. Say I want to find factorial of 10. Comes out to be 3628888. So this is working perfectly fine. Now suppose the second functionality that we are going to talk here is how does GitHub Copilot auto completes the functions. So suppose I am writing a command like write a code to find prime numbers in a list. Now once I enter, it has given me whole auto completion feature, basically suggestions. Now what you have to do is you have to just click tab. Once I click tab, it has given me whole function. Now I will execute this function and let's say this function basically is giving you whole it has used for loop, it has used if and else loops. So all the multi-label, multi-line functions it has used. So it is very useful. Now let's test this. So 7 is a prime number. Now try with 11. 11 is also a prime number. Let's test this 11 as well. Sorry. I, now let's test this prime number as well. 11 should come as a prime number as well. My spelling mistake was there. Right. Now let's test 10. 10 is not a prime number, so it has come false. But this is also working perfectly fine. So this was the second functionality that we are going to talk. Now the third functionality that we are going to talk is it can GitHub Copilot can explain your code. Suppose I type here in the chat, can you please explain me about code? So it will explain the factorial code for me. If you have specific code, you can just paste it in the chat window and you can ask the explanation for that as well. That is up to you. That can also be done. Now just wait for the results. It may take some time, but yes, depending on your internet connection, yeah, it is crafting some responses. Now if you can see, it has given me a summary of the notebook, whole notebook. Okay, the factorial function, what is the factorial function, validates input, raises value error. So everything it has given me with respect to factorial as well as this is prime function. So everything it has given me with respect to the notebook. Now let's discuss another functionality that is GitHub Copilot also generates different languages codes as well. Like I have written Python languages code. If you want to generate a JavaScript language code, it can also do. So let's test this. Let's type, can you generate a code for adding two numbers in JavaScript? Now it is trying to search in the backend and it will try to run this code as well and give this code as well. Yes, it has given me the simple JavaScript function to add two numbers. So this is also working perfectly fine. And the last functionality that I was going to talk is about it can generate test cases for your functions or your code. Suppose I want to generate a test cases for each prime function. What I will do is I will say that let's generate test cases to test my each prime function. Now it is going to generate test cases for my each prime function and let's see what results it can give. Okay, it is generally going to the creating unit test cases. I'm deciding to use test cases. Yes, it is formatting and these are the test cases that it has given. Okay, this is the new function that he has created and it in the classes, different classes, he has created different test cases as a different functions and you can basically test these test cases. Okay. That's all what I wanted to discuss, different functionalities of GitHub Copilot that can ease your coding journey. And for such more tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.